how to import templates in GoodNotes. Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel HowToBrowser. In this video I'll walk you through the entire process, so please follow along with me and watch this video till the very end because you don't want to miss any step. Now let's jump right into the video. What you need to do right now is to open GoodNotes. And now if you want to import a template, you need to tap on. Now what you need to do is to tap on this icon right here. And now you need to tap on Notebook Templates. Please tap on Notebook Templates, and from here you can import templates in your GoodNotes. In GoodNotes. Okay, let's say we want to import from here. Just swipe left, and as you can see we have here import, and now you can import from files. You want to import this. Okay, now I have this template all the time here. So now tap on done. Now when I go back here to Notebook Templates, as you can see I have this this document here. I don't need to add to import it every time, it's already here. Now when I tap on to add a new document from here, I will have my document right here. So all I need to do right now is just tap on title and tap on create. So now I have this document right here. So guys, that's the end of the video. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please drop a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more how-to videos. See you in the next one. Take care.